practice of the bride price. The problem here is the social perception. This now makes it, men becomes to use the whole idea of bride price as an avenue to mistreat women. And because we are no longer in tune with our customs and traditions, people now use that as an avenue to commit domestic violence. But there are some communities where they do email quota. The same time you're performing the rites of bride price, you're also dropping a certain amount of money that the men in the family will use to beat you and flog you in case of domestic violence. So if you beat up their sisters, they will use that money to buy canes and meet you in your house and flog you. So we had institutions, we had ways that we prevented domestic violence. But it's because of how things are, we're no longer in tune with these customs and our traditions. We somehow live under the wrong social perception that bride price means ownership. And by saying that bride price means ownership, it's now